Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In my previous video, I have discussed what is the program and what is the programming languages. So now in this video, I am going to discuss how to analyze a problem. So before writing the program, you have to understand what is the problem actually and how to find out the solution of it and what will be the solution. So after that, you will be able to do the program. Okay, so let's see how to analyze the problem. Okay, at first we have to analyze the problem. After that, we can write down the programs. Okay, so let's see. So these are the steps to analyze the problem. So number one step, first step. Okay, so these are the steps. First step, review the problem carefully and understand what you are asked to do. Okay, so at first we have to review the problem carefully. We have to read the problem carefully so that we can understand what I have to do. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose our problem is, suppose this is our problem. So let's increase the font size. Okay, so our problem is find out the addition result of two numbers. Addition result of two numbers. So this is our problem. We have to find out the addition result of two numbers. So now, first step, we have to analyze the problem. We have to read the problem carefully. So this is our first step. Our first step is review the problem carefully and understand what you are asked to do. Okay, so at first we have to review the problem carefully, and our problem is we have to find out the addition result of two numbers. Okay, so now what will be the second step? Our second step is determine what information is given, that is input, and what the result must be produced, that is output. That means now we have to determine what is the input and what is the output. So in the case of addition of two numbers, we have to input two numbers. So this is our input, that is two numbers. We have to input two numbers. So this is the input. And what we have to find out? We have to find out their addition result. So addition is the output. Okay. So now this is our second step. Determine what information is given input, that is here our input is two number and the output will be the addition result. So number 3, assign names to each input and output items. We have to assign the name of each input and output. So in this case our input for two numbers, and output will be addition result. Okay, so input two numbers and addition result will be the output. So next step number 3, assign names to each input and output items. We have to assign the names. That is, here two numbers, I am giving just the names. Suppose two numbers, I am giving the name, suppose X and Y. Okay, and output will be the Z. So I have just assigned the input and output. So here the name for the inputs are X and Y and the output will be Z. Okay, so then moving to the last step, that is step number 4, determine the manner of processing that must be done on the input data to come up with the desired output. That means the formula. That means here we want to find out the addition result. So to add two numbers, we have to determine how can we add two numbers. That means what will be the formula. So we know that formula is, we have to use the addition sign, that is plus sign. That means if we write down z equal to x plus y, then we can easily find out the addition result. So here what will be the formula? So here our formula will be z equal to x plus y. Okay, this is our processing, this is our formula. Okay, so in this way we can analyze the problem and we can find out what will be the solution. So if we write down step by step manner, then what we can write? At first we have to take input two numbers, that is x and y. After that we have to find out the addition result using the formula, that is x plus y, and as we are storing the result inside z, that is z is our output, so z equal to x plus y, then we can print the value of z to display the output. Okay, so in this way we can analyze the problem and we can find out the solution of it. It is very much necessary before programming, okay, so that we can understand the logic of the program. So that's all today. In the next video I will be discussing regarding the algorithm. So thank you very much.